Welcome to our tutorial on creating a Gmail account, brought to you by TechWise Learner. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to set up your very own Gmail account. Before going into the video, please like, share, and subscribe. So, let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or any other browser of your choice. Here I am using Google Chrome. Click on the Gmail option, which is present on the top right corner. This will take you to the Gmail website. On the Gmail landing page, you will see a Create Account button. Click on it to begin the account creation process. A new page will appear with a form asking for your personal information. Start by entering your first name and surname in the designated fields. Enter your birth date and select your gender from the options provided. This information is used to personalize your account and provide you with relevant services. Next, choose your desired email address. This will be the part before @gmail.com and will serve as your unique identifier. Make sure to choose an email address that is easy for you to remember and reflects your personality or brand, if applicable. Gmail will let you know if the address you chose is available or not. After selecting your email address, it's time to create a password. Choose a strong and secure password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Remember to keep your password confidential and avoid using common or easily guessable passwords. Confirm your password by typing it in again. This ensures that you didn't make any typos or mistakes while setting up your password. Provide your phone number and recovery email address. These will be helpful in case you forget your password or need to recover your account in the future. They also add an extra layer of security to your account. Here I am skipping. Now review the information which was filled by you, and once reviewing the information, click on Next button. Scroll down and read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree to them, click on I agree. Congratulations! You have successfully created your Gmail account. You can now start sending and receiving emails, organize your inbox, and take advantage of various features offered by Gmail. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to create a Gmail account. We hope you found it helpful.